Alright guys, I'm gonna make a quick video. I'm no electrician or anything, but I got these smart LED ceiling lights. And I took one out. It's pretty easy to install. Basically, you got your base plate, which will mount up to your ceiling. And you got your power and ground. And comes with a user manual for the app to control it. It is RGB, and a quick guide for using the Amazon for smart devices. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the power, and I got two of them, one for there and one for there. I do have those lights, which are pretty bright, but sometimes I want to just hit the switch and turn those on when I walk into the garage, because I leave work early and stuff. So those aren't bright at all. Supposedly they're 1,000 lumens, but they're like a warm color. So I also have those, so I can change the color to go with them. So I'm going to kill the power and start taking that apart. Alright guys, so I got the wires a little bit stripped a little bit more. So a little bit more wires exposed. So we can connect them here. Now this is a plastic base. So I'm gonna say that it doesn't need the ground. So I'm just gonna tuck the ground away and then connect the white obviously to the white, and then the black with the black, and then turn on the power and see what happens. So let's go ahead and get this wired up really quick. Okay, well, got that on. Now let's go ahead and turn on the power. Alright, well, it went good. It's flashing because I need to download the app and connect it. But let's go ahead and get that started. I just want to make sure it had power. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off and do that one as well. Alright guys, so I got it linked up now, as you can see. Hey Alexa, turn the garage lights red. Hey Alexa, turn the garage lights white. There we go. They're actually pretty bright now, come to think of it. They're definitely a lot brighter than the lights that were in here. So, definitely happy about that. Hey Siri, turn the garage lights on. See, not that I need those. Those don't really make a difference, to be honest. But when I walk out here, I can just turn these on, and it's not bad. If I'm just hanging out and I don't want the super bright lights on, like I said, I can change these colors, so it's nice. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helped in any way. And yeah, see you later.